When you come here, you need to howl like a wolf.
We are celebrating Wolves today.
It's not a brokerage for me, it's more like a family to me.
Proud to say that I have a wolf pack.
Let's take this to number one position.
It's a huge success for the entire Wolves team.
This is actually indicating towards the success of Wolves.
Today, I am very, very honored to be one of the top brokers in Soba for the Q3 of 2025. And ये सिर्फ हमारी मेरे और अंशुल की वजह से नहीं है, ये पूरी टीम की मेहनत है. And I am very thankful to Sobha team who came to the office and they made us feel very special. I have Mr. Manoj with me. What would you like to say for Wolves?
Rishika, as I mentioned earlier in front of the entire team, I think that energy, trust me, we spoke about it. It's a team of about 40 odd members. But on this floor, the energy what we felt and that the positivity that yes, this is the product, this is the developer, this is where we want to drive. That positivity is lacking in this market, and thank you for showing that. This is what I think. So, Wolves, and you should put that as a tagline that when you come here, you need to howl like a wolf.
Yes, that's true, and that's
Right,
what we
so
aim
that's- yeah.
for.
So every time on the stage, instead of shouting, we will howl like a wolf.
Yeah, that's true, and that'd be
Thank you.
amazing. And we will try our level best. मेहनत करना हमारे हाथ में है, बाकी ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है. So I have Mr. Adnan with me here, and he came to the office and he made us feel so special because it's not an easy thing for a new company which just started in March to reach this level. And it's always with the help of the team that you're working with, and they've been really, really supportive from the day one. Anything that we ask, it's there. So I would really like to thank you for that.
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for having us. I mean, we are celebrating Wolves today. I mean, this is your win. We are there because as you said, we've been supportive because you've been equally aligned with the kind of processes we follow, with the kind of culture that we have. And we look forward for bigger years to come. We'll make sure that the support just grows from here. We grow together. As Shobha is leading up the chart in the Dubai real estate, we would want to see Wolves. You guys are already on the track. I mean, for somebody, guys, first year into the business and leading the chart with one of the leading developers in Dubai real estate market, this is great. This is huge. It's a huge success for the entire Wolves team, and we're sure that you'll only grow in from here. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for that. And thank you for always being there. I know you're just one call away. So Rahul is the one that I trouble the most with everything that I need. ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, ये करा दो, वो करा दो. And he's been also very, very supportive. Anything I want, anytime I can call him. There is no I don't have to look at the time, oh, it's too late, I can't call Rahul. If I call him at 12 in the night also with a problem, he'll just be there.
There are maybe, as an account manager, I have every year we get a set of accounts where we're building them, we're working on them. But very rarely does it happen that we get an account where from scratch in the shortest span of times, Wolves, Touchwood, have now come to this stage where Shobha comes to them with a celebration. With the hopes, by the way, year end,
Yes.
we're on a massive stage
Yeah.
and doing the same wolf howl
Same old foul.
that we just got
Yes.
on Shobha stage.
Done. That's
So,
done.
kudos. It is a massive pleasure and honor for me to have been a part of this journey with you guys. And it is not yet near complete,
No.
even for this year, but onwards and upwards.
Onwards and upwards from here. This today, and it really makes me feel very proud, and it's all because of Anshul's conviction and Anshul's focus and target and his leadership, and also it's all the team that has done this. So it's their win completely. Thank you so much for this.
And proud to say that I have a wolf pack.
Yes, the wolf pack. Thank you so much for coming today and honoring us. And we've been working since we started Wolves. And he's been a very big part of the success of Wolves, his and his entire team.
See, for Wolves, what I feel is that it's not a brokerage for me, it's more like a family to me. The relation which I share with you and Anshul is more like a brother and sister. So for me, it's not a brokerage or some random firm.
Yeah.
This is actually indicating towards the success of Wolves. Absolutely. I mean, the way we have started this, all thanks to you guys. You have supported us as well, because I'm new to Shobha. Let's face the fact, but your support has been there as well. So, and I love these guys. They are more like a family and friend to me. So I just enjoy with them. It's fun being a part of this entire journey, and let's take this to number 1 position, and that's when we'll
That's the target. And
that's the target. Number 1.